Hello everyone. So today I thought I'll take you through my work desk, which I somehow put together, just a temporary one. So this table is almost like 15 years old. My dad bought it, my sister, a long time ago, and so I took it. And this chair is also very old. It looks very neat, but this is also about 10 years old. It's a very old school table, obviously 15 years old, right? It's like a proper office table. Now in these I have not office stuff but a lot of makeup, because I even film videos here because there's nice lighting. So this is how I organize my things. This, I know some people don't like to put table covers on the table. It looks very blah. So this is how the table is, but I kind of sometimes spill things, and then also it's soft, so I can put hot stuff also in this. Like I pretty much sit here like 9-10 hours. So this cover is nice, thick, very thick material. It's a nice bright yellow, my favorite. What brand is this? Yep, this is from Swayam. It's 4-chair tablecloth, and yeah. So what do we have here? So I have my office laptop, my personal laptop. So I multitask sometimes. So here I have my snacks, some unhealthy ones, some healthy ones. So this one is the caramel popcorn. Popcorn is okay, not that bad, but it has caramel, a lot of sugar, so that's why. This one I really like, because it's pretty healthy. It's roasted onions, crackers, and it's gluten-free, sugar-free, eggless-free, blah 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 free. But if you look at the ingredients, they're pretty much neat. See, almond flour, oats flour, roasted onion flakes, edible oil, olive oil, salt, onion garlic powder, raising agent, rock salt, baker's yeast. Except of the yeast, I think everything is fine. Should I open it? Yeah, this is how it is. It smells oniony, garlicky, and yummy. And then I have a little glass here to mix hot water and cold water for my throat. And then I have another snack box here. Come on, open. Which is chicky. Yum, which is almost over. I made these pretty yum with till and sesame seeds and jaggery. Very good. And then these bottles I already spoke about in my Buy or Not product reviews. Bought from IKEA. Almost finished the water actually. It's almost end of the day. This is another glass bottle. And this one is a box full of random, what is it? Some tape. Because I keep measuring things to buy. Bluetooths. This. Look at this old mirror. This is also my dad's. Look at how old is this? I stole it to film videos. And this box was given to me by one of my friends. So basically I put lavender oil in this, and then I light up the candle and it gives a nice aroma. And then I have this organizer which I bought from D-Mart long time ago. It's a nice sectioned kind of organizer. I have my specs. These are some reusable containers. This is plain water which I used to spray on my little plant. This plant I already spoke about in my Buy or Not product reviews. I love this plant. I mean, this is the only plant that has successfully survived with me. It is a snake plant. It has this little pipe kind of thing where you pour water in this down, and it tells you the level of water you're supposed to put. And it's very less maintenance, like hardly once in a week or two. And then this one is a Dettol mixed in water. And then if I buy some parcels or get some parcels, I sanitize it with this. This is toothpicks, because I have a lot of gaps in my granny teeth. So gross. Moisturizers. This moisturizer is really good, Aloe Hydration Cream. And Nivea, pretty light, just for the hands. And then this is an extendable kind of organizer which I bought from IKEA, I think. Yeah. Here I have some cream, Cetaphil, Nivea, body lotion. Oh, this is my new lip balm which I bought, and I'm just scrubbing it all over my lips every day. Very good. This is again the same, and this one is an eye tape and some thermometer, because in this weather I started to feel feverish, so I started checking my temperature. And this one is cramp relief. This one is I bought this container from Amazon, pretty cheap, and I put some DIY lip mask kind of thing in this. It's a roll-on basically, like this. So you just put it on your lips. Your pen, a matchbox to light this one, stationery stuff. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, and I have this little calendar thing which tells you daily quotes every day. Today, to spend freely on fun and pleasure only if your purse allows. This is for me, yeah. This is for me. Hey, also, I couldn't show the cooler which I was talking about in the Bionaut product review video. So this is the cooler. It's the Symphony Diet. It's a nice 30 liters one, personal towel. So it gives you the level of water here. That is it. And then we have this pretty view. Look at the sunflowers. A lot of birds also here, so it's nice and peaceful. So this is pretty much my work scene. I hope it helps you get inspired and organized, because it's always good to have things organized and have things in place. It clears your mind and also helps you focus on work better. So what I do is every day in the morning I just fill these 3 bottles and I make sure I finish by the end of the day all 3 of them. And also I ensure I keep eating something every 2 hours. I pick something, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. Also guys, please follow my Instagram account. That's it for now. I'll see you in my next. Bye.